Do your knees feel stiff when you wake up? Or do you hear clicking sounds every time you stand up? Your joints work hard every day. As we age, cartilage naturally wears down, making movement less comfortable. That's why supporting your joints early is important. Meet VitaSuu FlexiStar, a comprehensive joint formula with type II Collagen, Seaweed Calcium, Turmeric Curcumin, Boswellia Extract, Vitamin C, and Inulin, to help support healthy cartilage, flexible joints, and strong bones.